Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back to the channel, family. Welcome back to the channel. Your girl is at Walmart. It is time to get these trees. Walmart has trees, y'all. I was gonna go to Tractor Supply to get my trees because they were $34 at Tractor Supply. But we just dropped Flip off at work and we saw trees for $24. So we're finna jump right on into this and get these trees. It's still cold as hell here, like 20-some degrees. And what is this, the end of February? February the what? What's today's date, y'all?
26th, 25th.
Yeah, it's February the 26th. And it's cold as ice here, y'all. So, they got the trees out. So let's get on in here and let's see what kind of trees we can find. If you have not subscribed to the channel already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button now. Did you hit it? Thumbs up this video. Share this video if you would like. Let's jump right on into it, y'all. Okay, y'all. We in here like swimwear. Yes, sir. Delicious red apples. Oh, they're going peach, y'all. Y'all know your girlfriend get ready to rack up, right? Because you know I like to get 2 of everything. So I don't have to worry about if I need a pollinator or not. Oh, y'all, they got pearls. Yes, sir. Tractor Supply can miss me. Look at Miko's over there, y'all. Delicious apple, golden apple. Oh, yeah, y'all. I know I'm going to have to prune these down because I'm about to go overboard. Yes, sir. See, this the time to get these. This is the time to be getting these trees, y'all. And then when it warm up, you know, we gonna get our starter plants for our vegetables and whatnot. But around this time, the time for these trees. What you see over there? They had plums? Oh, y'all know I'm finna go ham, right? Y'all know I'm finna go ham, right? Oh, they got some blueberries out here, y'all. Purple grape myrtle. That's a nice looking tree. Oh, y'all, here we go, y'all. Here we go, y'all. Santa Rosa. Okay, y'all. Give me a couple of ticks so I can fill my little basket up, y'all. What's that? Bruce plum? They're like a little smaller variety than that Santa Rosa. I think I'm gonna get that Santa Rosa, y'all. Okay, y'all. So y'all give me a couple of ticks. Let me get my little happy dance on. Okay, guys, I have finally got the babies home. I'm super duper excited, y'all. I feel like I was a kid in a candy store. So we ended up getting this focus Santa Rosa plum. I did 2 of each, like I said, so I don't have to, I'm not really even concerned about them pollinating, because everything I get 2 of each. That way, that's one less thing I have to keep up with. And we got 2 of these peaches. So y'all can see how they look. And we got 2 of these golden delicious apples. So we're finna get ready to prune them down some because some of them are super duper tall. So we're gonna prune them down some. I like how they all start about knee length because of course we don't want them too tall. So yeah, these the new babies. I think I'm gonna go with a tote or bucket because they can't go on the ground here. So I'm thinking an 18-gallon tote or bucket. So we'll figure that out in the next couple of days. I just could not wait to go ahead on and get the trees, because waiting on totes, I've been missed out on the trees. So the order kind of off, but it's gonna get done, y'all. Don't forget to thumbs up the video. Thumbs up the video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And we're finna jump right on into this. You ready, baby? We're finna jump right on into this, pruning them down some. So y'all give us a couple of ticks, because we ain't got the tripod out here. It's super duper cold, like it's finna get ready to snow again. So give us a couple of ticks. Okay, guys. I guess I've taken off enough on them and cut them down some, because they was super duper tall, y'all. I probably should have got that right there too. But yeah, I guess I got them pruned down good enough. Except this one, I was worried about this one because all that growth in the inside. But it just killing me to just take all that off right there, just to open it up. I might get some string or something when springtime come and pull it back some, so it'll grow back that like outward. But yeah, so we're finna go ahead and put some little bags on them, just in case the weather get any better. And eventually go ahead and pot these beauties up. So y'all just stay tuned. I forgot to tell you guys, when you buy your trees, make sure you do the scratch test, so you can make sure that the tree is alive before you get it. In my case, that was already done, but these are some of the clippings. Waiting on it to focus. Y'all can see the green. Oh, it ain't focusing. But yeah, make sure it's green on the inside, y'all, when y'all go get y'all trees or your bushes. This gonna be the end of this video. I guess I'll do another video with us, you know, potting them and getting them together for their semi-forever home. So y'all go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Thumbs up this video. Share this video if you would like. And we're about to get out of here because it is freezing out here. It really is. And I'll see y'all in the next video.